Terry, you gave us an outstanding top line on the different types of technologies and capabilities within those technologies. I'm dying to hear one of these specific use cases that you'd like to highlight in regards to the use of this technology.
Right. We work with customers and agencies that are both federal, private, as well as commercial as well. The intersection of that, and I want to speak to something that Jesus talked about earlier, this idea of treating data as products and the creation of data products, and leveraging the universal semantic layer and actually to do that. And so some of the agencies specifically that we work with, many of them are hierarchical and distributed across different parts of the geography, right? And so this idea of being able to have this autonomous semantic capabilities within the different hubs, or the different leaves, if you will, of those organizations, and have those same things provided up through centralized hubs, if you will, of that, so that the meaning of what data is represented through those products is maintained across this distributed environment, with the ability to not only create those products and secure them and deploy them, but also control the data movement, how that data moves, which portions of the attributes or of those products are authoritative based on those sources. And so many organizations are realizing that we have this central point of access. The idea of centrality becomes almost abstracted, so that we can support this distributed structure, but make everything look like it's coming from one place. Treating data as a product, something that is able to be secured, and specific to the actual individual that's calling that. And we think about how companies are starting to leverage, and agencies are starting to leverage that when it comes to agentic AI and this idea of autonomous agents and the ability to have that type of reach through this simple point of access for information. So this is what we're working with many of our agencies and many of our customers as well.